Hey again, Actuary Dude here with another easy 4-mark question. So let's try and knock this one out pretty quickly. So calculate the nominal rate of interest per annum convertible quarterly, which is equivalent to any of those. So we're just trying to find out what I4 is. Okay, so let's start with an effective rate of interest of 0.5% per month. So let's try and figure out what is this effective annual rate going to be. So it'll be 1 plus this rate, so 1.005, compounding 12 times minus 1 is going to give us some effective interest rate. So let's see what that is. So equals 1.005 to the power of 12 minus 1 gives us that rate, so 6.17%-ish. Okay, so like that, but I'll keep the number there so I can avoid a rounding error. And now we're just going to find what annual rate here matches this. So what nominal quarterly, convertible quarterly rate fits there. So we're just going to say 1 plus this I to the 4, that's the annual rate. So some effective rate there, compounded quarterly, minus 1 is going to equal this rate over here. Okay, so let's find out what I to the 4 is using Excel or on the exam, your calculator. So to go backwards, I'll just have a look there. Okay, so it'll be, I'll put in brackets 1 plus this previous rate that we'd worked out to the power of a quarter over there. We'll then minus 1, and then, sorry, it's already put it in percentages, I don't want that. And then I'm going to find out what that is times 4. Okay, because that's the effective quarterly rate, so times 4 will give us the annual nominal rate, compounded quarterly or convertible quarterly, which is 0.0603. So 0.0603 or 6.03% per annum convertible quarterly. Okay, so now let's have a look at part B. Alright, so a nominal rate of interest, 6% per annum convertible every 2 years. So this is a bit interesting. So in the way that we looked at this question over here, so imagine we've got our time scale from now to 1 year. And what we're saying is we took some quarterly effective quarterly rates, and we kind of added them up in a way to give us this big nominal rate. We've actually kind of done the opposite, where actually I'll just draw it up here, where if we say we got 2 years there, 1 year there, and we're starting now. So what we're saying is we've got this, there's this 2-year effective rate, which will just be 2 times the nominal rate, so it'll be 12%, so 0.12, and we've been given this nominal rate over here. Okay, so it's in fact just almost worked in the inverse. So what's happening is when we're going to work this out, is we're actually going to work out, because we've got one effective rate there, is we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 effective quarterly rates, another 1, 2, 3, 4 effective. So that's going to be 8 quarterly rates when we're putting over here in this equation, so there'll be 8 over there. So yeah, I just have my great artistic abilities have assisted there. So let's have a look at this. So we're going to have 1 plus this rate over here. And now we're going to have it to the power of 8 is going, and minus 1 is going to give us 0.12%. And let's have a quick look and just make sure that everything is done correctly. So it'll be equals 1.12 to the power of, and this is now 1/8 over there. Okay, and then we minus 1, and then we're going to take that and multiply it by 4. And that's going to give us our annual nominal convertible quarterly rate, which is 5.7%, or actually 5.71%. So let's write that down. So I to the 4 equals, which is then 5.71% per annum convertible quarterly, and so on. Okay, thanks for watching.